Over 200 people have been killed by the devastating Typhoon Bopha in 2 regions of the Philippines, with hundreds reported missing and thousands more homeless, according to a local government statement. This sign laid across her body says simply, Kriz Laurence, 4 years old male. A bruised survivor, Julius Rebucas, seen here being carried on the back of his cousin, unable to walk, is asked by a reporter when he last saw his family following their evacuation from Compostela Valley. He replied, "I last saw them on a platform. The last thing my mother said was, 'I love you.'" This woman, who lost her mother, explained how they were taken unawares. She said, "We didn't think the winds would get that strong. The floods were rushing towards us. We didn't imagine it would turn out that way, so we didn't come here to evacuate." Typhoon Bopha comes a year after Typhoon Bopha killed more than 1,300 people in the southern Philippines. And it is believed the warning and evacuation procedures set up in light of that have helped protect against greater loss of life. I'm Anne Salter, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the very latest news and updates with me at ibtimes.co.uk.